Hey guys, congratulations for completing the first unit of this course. This video is quick wrap up which you learned in this unit. First we have seen about the data structures. A data structure is a way of organizing data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently. Storing the data is not unique for all the scenarios. It will vary based on the situations. Based on the problem statement, we have to choose the right data structures. And data structure is important to store the data. Way of storing the data is more important than storing the data. And we have seen about the algorithms. Algorithm means well-defined procedure for the implementations, and we are using the asymptotic analysis to analyze the various algorithms for a single task. In this method of analysis, we are analyzing the algorithm based on the complexity of algorithms, not based on the running time of algorithms. And finally, we have talked about Big O and levels of complexities for the Big O. Big O is the worst case scenario. Our aim is take the worst case scenarios and work with that in best way, because we are not interested in best case scenarios. See you guys on the next unit.